Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arvind and you're catching on another Sudoku gameplay. In this video, I'm going to show you the Sudoku gameplay number 8. If you haven't watched the previous Sudoku gameplay, so don't worry, I've uploaded in the link above. You can have a look at them later on. So without further delay, let's have a look at the Sudoku gameplay number 8 now. Alright, we have come to the end of the Sudoku gameplay number 8. Do you find out this Sudoku gameplay is knowledgeable and enjoyable at the same time? So make sure that you leave this video a thumbs up and also not to forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming Sudoku gameplay in the future. Thank you so much for your support and I'll see you next time.